Meaning of hostage taker.
Hostage taker.
Hostage taker.
Hostage taker.
Hostage taker. Hostage taker refers to a person who takes one or more people captive, usually for a particular purpose, such as making political demands or seeking ransom money. Hostage taking is considered a serious crime and a violation of human rights, often resulting in police or military action to secure the release of hostages and apprehend the hostage taker. The psychological impact on those held captive can be severe, leading to long-term psychological trauma and even physical harm. Effective negotiation skills and crisis management are essential tools for authorities dealing with hostage situations to achieve successful outcomes and minimize harm to all involved.